Welcome to Channel 5 News. Today, we will be reporting on the Pacific Ocean trash vortex.
A marine ecosystem has been disrupted. There's a large trash vortex in the Pacific Ocean, 90% of which is made of plastic.
This problem has been caused within gyres found in the northwestern and northeastern parts of the Pacific Ocean. This trash vortex has been caused by humans. Most trash goes into waterways or blows into the ocean from land. Also, trash falls off of ships. Over time, trash is accumulated in the currents to cause a vortex.
This disruption has caused multiple problems within the Pacific Ocean's ecosystem. The first being the death of birds and marine life due to consumption of trash and plastic found within the trash vortex. Also, due to molecular pollution from melting plastic, toxins are released into the water. These toxins are consumed throughout the ecosystem. And as the food chain progresses, larger animals and predators begin to take in higher levels of these toxins.
Scientists are not sure when the trash buildup started, but it has to be at most 144 years ago because plastic was created 144 years ago.
There are many trash vortexes spread out around the world, but it is the world's worst in the northeastern Pacific Ocean. It might be the worst because it is surrounded by land on all sides, and it has large countries on those pieces of land emitting large amounts of trash every day into the ocean.
Made by divers in groups to individually take trash out of the Pacific Ocean trash vortex. Also, people have been told to reduce, reuse, and recycle because people are aware that they should not be making more plastic, that they should recycle. The trash vortex hasn't been growing as fast as it has been, and people weren't aware.
Multiple solutions have been suggested for the future, and scientists are working to create these solutions. It has been conversed that we should talk about harvesting trash for fuel, a project created by Kalasi, a scientist, or another solution is to create a recycled island out of these materials found in the trash vortex.
That story on the Pacific trash vortex.